Check out our newest update. We now have IVR calls that can be taken on the website or the mobile app. This feature enables your business to direct calls from the IVR system to ring on both the web and mobile apps, improving call management, and honestly, it's also going to improve flexibility. Let's talk about benefits. First, this is going to streamline your workflow. Now your business can route calls from the IVR to ring simultaneously on the web and mobile apps. It's also an immediate update option. Real-time call routing ensures that you and your team can answer calls properly. It's also enhancing convenience because this feature simplifies call handling. As far as practical use, there is a ton. This is just a really solid update that I'm excited that we all have access to. Now, any business that is using the IVR call routing system can ensure that all incoming clients, their phone calls ring on both their mobile web app as well as their mobile devices, ensuring that no important calls are ever missed. Go ahead and access settings in the lower right-hand navigation. Make sure that you have all of your staff added by adding them in as My Staff, and then add an employee, or you can go ahead and edit that as well. Now, in that same settings area, you're going to access the call and voicemail settings. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to open up an additional menu. Once that menu opens up, you're going to select the default channel. Now you're going to see web app, mobile app, and my phone number. This is going to allow you to have a lot of set options to select when you're setting up how this user is going to be able to receive phone calls. Now, this is a mobile view of the IVR. And so this gives you a little bit of an idea of what that is going to look like. And here is what an IVR incoming call is going to look like on the desktop view. So this way you are going to be able to take those calls from your desktop as well as from the mobile app on your phone. This feature improves call handling flexibility and efficiency right within the CRM, ensuring much better customer communication. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.